Welcome back to News 2 at 4. Dr. Z joins us, and today we're talking intense pulse lights.
Yes.
What are intense pulse lights?
So you may have heard the term IPL or BBL. Those two things are basically the same thing. It's also known as photorejuvenation. So IPL stands for intense pulse light. BBL stands for broadband light. Both of them target uneven pigmentation of the skin, such as sunspots and freckles, or those are brown spots and dark spots, or redness from rosacea or just enlarged blood vessels around your nose and on your cheeks.
Okay.
And why? Why do we even care about that? Well, uneven pigmentation ages us 5 to 7 years. 5 to 7 years.
Wow.
And it's easy to get rid of. Usually. There's always a caveat. Usually it's easy. I've done it on myself, and I have pictures of some of my patients here before and afters. But if it's an easy process to get rid of it, why women, we try to cover it up. And these photos
with makeup, right?
Yeah, we try and cover it up with makeup. And I don't know if that's projecting well at home, but you can see on the left-hand side there are more brown discolorations, and on the right it's just clear. The skin glows more. You see more light reflecting off of the skin, and that's and it's healthier skin actually. And then this is another patient.
She just has a lot of freckles, it looks like.
And you say just freckles, and most people do, but freckles are sun damage. You're not born with freckles. Freckles occur after 5 to 7 years. When you're about 5 to 6 years of age, you start developing them because of the sun damage. So, and then who gets it? Men, women, all skin types, all ages. You can have it done on your face, your neck, chest, arms, hands. I've had it done there. And then your back, even your legs. And I usually have, initially, it's about 2 to 5 treatments, depending on the amount of sun damage you had initially. And then I have it done about one to 2 treatments a year. That's my maintenance.
So what age are you most affected by this?
Everyone's different.
Everyone's
Depends on
different.
the amount of sun exposure you've had.
Okay.
And this is a brochure of one of the machines we have. We have, see, gentlemen get a lot for the blood vessels around their chin, around their nose and cheeks. And it just gives you a healthier glow to your skin. Cost, the range is around $300 to $500, depending on who does it, the experience in what area of the country. Ours at my office runs about $350. And then, so the other thing is the skin type you have. It treats all skin types, but if you have a darker skin type, since it's targeting pigment, then you have to have more treatments because we have to lower their energy to give you a safer treatment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
And there was one other thing I wanted to say. Oh yeah. So and then the dark. See, I try everything on myself, right? You know that. And this was years ago, maybe 10 years ago now. I had this done, and the doctor didn't warn me that my brown spots would turn darker and then fall off after a week. But that's what happens. They turn darker and then
fall off?
Fall off while you're washing your face after a week. I had a big party planned at my house that weekend.
So make sure you
So I looked
schedule
very
this ahead of
special.
time.
Very special. Yes. Yes. But you really just have redness and swelling for a couple of days. That's it. There's no downtime. We apply numbing cream in the office for an hour prior to the procedure. It takes about 30 minutes for the procedure in office.
Okay.
Great time of year to have it done too.
Okay. And then I know we have a lot of questions online. Is there
Yes.
one in particular that you wanted to talk about?
Well, a lot of questions, and I've answered some of them, but is about dryness in the wintertime, and that's a great question, so I'm really glad it was asked. And I love Dove soap. Dove soap, over the counter, grocery store, Dove soap and Aveeno. And then that's while you're in the shower or bath. And then when you get out, in order to lock in that moisture you have, I love creams for the body. They're more moisturizing than lotions. Lotions for your face, creams for your body.
Okay.
CeraVe and Aveeno.
Okay.
Love them.
Okay. And you have a special presentation
Pat's
here.
Coats for Kids. Oh, yay!
There he is. He's whistling.
Such a
You can hear
wonderful
him.
thing that he does every year. And so here's a little something to help him buy some more coats.
Well, great. That's
Yeah,
wonderful. Thanks for doing
yay.
that. And we
Thanks.
have a basket
Pat,
also to
of
give
course.
away today.
Lots of good stuff.
For caller number 10, call the number on your screen, 225-336-2321, 336-2321. Good luck. And you've got a bunch
Yay!
of
Christmas
nice...
will start early. For
Yeah,
someone.
that's great. We'll be right back after this.